Hi, Tyler Daniel, Application Engineer here with EXAIR Corporation. EXAIR is pleased to announce the release of our new TurboBlast Safety Air Gun. Utilizing EXAIR's most powerful nozzles, the TurboBlast Safety Air Gun is the ideal fit for applications that require a strong blast of air. They come with an optional gate valve that allows you to make easy on-the-fly adjustments when more or less airflow is needed for the application. The handle is constructed of cast aluminum with an overmolded UV and chemical-resistant elastomer grip. The low-profile trigger button on the handle keeps the trigger protected if dropped and incorporates an automatic air shutoff mechanism that will engage as the gun is released, preventing possible injury to operators. Base models all include a 1-foot extension with 3 or 6-foot extensions offered as well. All models come with a nozzle guard to prevent damage to the fins on the super air nozzle should the gun ever be dropped. Just a slight squeeze is all that it takes to actuate the trigger to EXAIR's most powerful nozzles. With force output levels ranging from 4.5 to 23 pounds at 80 psig, the TurboBlast Safety Air Gun is ideal for very difficult applications that necessitate a strong blast of air. Some of these applications include slag removal, difficult debris removal, as well as cleanup of very large areas. If you're looking for help with a difficult application in your facility that necessitates a strong blast of air, the TurboBlast Safety Air Gun could be the ideal solution. Get in touch with an application engineer today for help determining which model is best for you, and we'll get it shipped out today from stock. Thank you for watching.